What's going on, guys? Rashard D here with Double Level, and we're going to be taking a look at this little helicopter. It's the S100 mini helicopter. Really cool toy. If you're looking for a cool gift to give to someone, whether it be adult or a child, this is going to be a cool toy to offer. So let's break this thing open and take a look at it and see how it flies. And there it is. This is the way it looks in the packaging. We have the controller and the helicopter. Look how small this thing is. Along in the box, you get your instruction manual and you get your tools and charging cable. This is going to be the charging cable. And it comes with a screwdriver so you can change the batteries on the back. The batteries that it takes is going to be a AAA, 4 AAAs. They don't come with the helicopter, so you would have to provide your own batteries. But 4 AAA batteries, you just unscrew the cover, put your batteries in, put the screw back in. It also comes with an extra rear propeller, just in case you need to replace that. So now let's get this thing in the air and see how it flies. Once you get the hang of it, you'll really enjoy it. Some of the cool features of the S100 mini helicopter is that it has a gyro stabilizer, altitude hold, and it also has 1 key takeoff and landing. Alright guys, once again, this is going to be the S100. Hopefully the information that I gave you helps you make your decision. And if you have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comment section. Other than that, this is Rashard D with Double Level, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.